Hi Rajesh sir.
Hi.
Rajesh sir, actually I have a scenario like let's say we have a category.
Okay.
So if you are writing a calculation like if category is equal to furniture, then it has to show the relevant subcategory fields. So for all the three categories, I have wrote three calculations. I am putting those three into the filter. So my scenario is my outcome has to be like if I select in the furniture, if I select any one of the bookcases or chairs, furniture, furnishing and tables, it has to show only that particular subcategory, and the rest category it has to show everything.
Can you come again? You have
Yeah,
category and subcategory. When you click on category, it should show.
like if I click on like I write three calculations, like for category equal to furniture, it has to show the relevant subcategory details.
Okay.
So for all the three
You are saying
things
this
in
in
the
the
category,
the field or in the filter?
yeah, filter.
Okay. Let's see.
So like if I select the furniture filter, it will be showing bookcases, the furnishing chairs and tables. So if I click any one of those, it has to show only that particular
Wait.
furniture related subcategory, and also the remaining everything it has to show.
Wait. Let's recreate. So you are saying you have category and you have subcategory.
Yeah.
So when you click on here, when you click on a furniture, there should in the filter it should be showing only these values.
Are you sharing, Rajesh?
Oh, I am not. Just a moment. Okay. Yeah. Now you see here category subcategory. You are saying when you click on this furniture, the filter should be showing only these values.
If I no. In the furniture, I should have a furniture filter and office supplies filter and technologies filter.
Okay.
So in furniture filter, I'll be having bookcases, chairs, furniture, and tables.
By this you mean to say you need 6 filters.
No, three filters. Like I'll like just give a calculation like if category is equal to furniture, then fetch the subcategory values.
Okay.
Then that calculation I'll put it in the filter. Then it will show all the subcategories relevant to the furniture.
Okay.
Right? So similarly, I'll do it for office supplies and technology also. So if I click filters from furniture, so it will show bookcases, chairs, furnishing and tables, right? So if I click any one of those, it has to filter only that particular furniture related subcategory, and the rest it has to show everything. Because we haven't filtered the remaining one, right? So it has to show everything.
No, still not clear. Here you
like can you open the calculation once? Okay, if category is equal to furniture, then subcategory end. Okay, then you put that into the filter once. So it will show all these things. Click all. Okay, don't exclude the null. Let it be.
Exclude the booking. Okay.
Okay, now show that filter. So we'll be having the relevant subcategory details there, right? So if I click only bookcases, it has to show only bookcases.
Here?
No, in the filter. If I click only the bookcases, it has to show only bookcases. So similarly, I'll be having the office supplies, and also for another category, I'll have two calculations like that, and I'll put into the filter. But remaining things,
you are saying no. Now you are saying you have three categories. You are putting them into the filter. So same like this calculation 5.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Then it has to
just a minute.
Okay.
Office supplies.
Yeah.
So now let me show filter. When I am showing this, you mean to say if I click appliances, it should show only appliances here.
Appliances, but in remaining calculation, if I take all, it has to show everything from that particular category.
Okay, then do one thing.
Yeah.
I'm creating a set on this. And I'm creating a set on this. Okay, then wait. Let me remove all these calculations. Okay, so you mean to say you have a category here, and in this category is equal to furniture, then subcategory. This is your calculation. So when add to filter and show filter, here I am creating a set on this. Right? All okay. Now I am not showing this filter calculation file, but I am writing my calculations. If calculation file set, then subcategory. Okay, so else if null calculation set, then I'm not sure if we'll get this, but okay. Okay, so when I select bookcases, you should not get these, but remaining subcategories you should get it here, right?
Yeah, if I select bookcases, it has to show only bookcases from that particular category, but remaining categories, it has to show everything.
Okay.
Like here, the null value, the remaining for that calculation, the null values get implemented here. So,
Just a
how
second,
to
just a
avoid
second,
that?
just a second, just a second. So here the requirement is to identify calculation. Let me do one thing here. Let me get category. Now once I got the category, I am getting. Okay. Now let me do one thing. Write another calculation. If calculation file set, then this is furniture, right? Then category. Okay. If calculation not is none of calculation 7, here the problem that I'm facing is now when I'm selecting bookcases, right?
Yeah.
Uh, not showing these values is where I am getting the okay. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, can you please mute? I'm getting some background noise. Guys, please. Okay. So I think I got the solution. Um, Actually, this is not a requirement, just a manual. Perfect. Now, if you see, if I'm selecting chairs, let me exclude now. Now, all is selected, you're getting all. If you select only bookcases, you're getting only bookcases from that. Let me drag category as well, just to show you that, right? This is what your requirement is, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So please go through this video once again so
Yeah,
that you will
okay,
get the
right.
solution. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Varisha.
Thank you. Okay, guys. Any other doubts?